Well, this is our big winter storm, which came in yesterday. It lasted about 24 hours and dumped 15 to 16 inches of snow all over everything. This is the most snow we've ever had since we lived in this house, and it's a historic type of storm for DC. Anyway, today's the 20th of December 2009, and of course this thing came in on the night of the 18th, and all day the 19th it snowed. It dumped as much as an inch to 2 inches an hour, so we're snowed in. The unfortunate thing is it kind of messed things up. For example, the weight of the snow during the night collapsed the canopy I had that covered the little Jeep over here, and as you can see, it's buried. I cleaned the canopy off once, but of course it snowed more and covered it up even more, so under that mess is the poor little Jeep. So that canopy is kaput, I guess. It's bent the frame up. And we had to make little paths all over. The doggone snow is so deep that the dogs can hardly get through it. Molly particularly, because she has short legs. So you can see an idea of how much snow we got piled up. And the unfortunate thing is, here's our hapless ATV with the blade on it. Can't use the ATV because the doggone snow is so deep that the ATV can't move it. And if you just push a little bit of the snow off the top so that there's still snow on the ground, then when you got on the hill here, the ATV just, even in four-wheel drive, it just spins its tires. It's rather frustrating. So we're having to shovel this whole thing out by hand, and we've got this much of the driveway done right now. Carolyn is down there working on it. We're going to have to shovel all the way out to the street. I did park the other truck, the Titan, down at the street, so of course if we had to get out, we would have that truck down there, but of course we still have to go clean it up and dig out to the road. And fortunately we don't need to go anywhere today or tomorrow, so it'll be cleared out by tomorrow, I guess. But you can see here how much fun it is having to shovel this whole thing out. We did it years ago after we first retired in 1996. We had a couple of times we had to shovel the whole thing out by hand. That year it was a lot of snow, and back then it wasn't, the driveway wasn't paved, and we didn't have the ATV either, and the snow wasn't as deep as it is now. But it's so much fun. Good exercise.
We're going to stop lollygagging and get to work.
Yep, I'm going to stop this now and start in shoveling. I don't want you to have all the fun in the snow and shoveling. Hershey likes the snow. He constantly is playing in it and pestering all the other guys. Okay, I guess I better quit and get working.